Today we're in Paris, and we'll be showing you 5 tips to make the best of your trip. Grab your beret and let's embark on a journey of unforgettable experience. Tip number 1, embrace the art of slow travel. Our first tip is to wholeheartedly embrace the art of slow travel while exploring Paris. Instead of succumbing to the hustle and bustle, take the time to immerse yourself fully in the city's rich ambiance. Wander through the enchanting and diverse neighborhoods that Paris has to offer, such as the historic Les Marais, the artistic and bohemian Montmartre, and the scholarly and vibrant Latin Quarter. Here's a pro tip: opt for exploring Paris on foot or rent a bicycle to maximize your connection with the local culture and uncover hidden gems that you might otherwise miss. Tip 2, the Louvre beyond the Mona Lisa. Although a visit to the Louvre is an absolute must on your Parisian itinerary, our second tip is to go beyond the iconic Mona Lisa. This world-renowned museum is a treasure trove of artistic masterpieces, boasting thousands of works of art. So don't limit yourself to just one famous painting. Explore the mesmerizing Venus de Milo, the captivating Winged Victory of Samothrace, and the rich tapestry of art that this institution houses. Plan your Louvre visit strategically to avoid the bustling crowds. Keep in mind that the Louvre stays open late on Wednesdays and Fridays, offering you the opportunity to explore its magnificent collections in a quieter and more intimate atmosphere. Tip number 3 is to indulge in pastries and cafe culture. Our third tip is an indulgence that should not be missed while in Paris. Savoring pastries and immersing yourself in the city's charming cafe culture. Paris is a true haven for foodies, boasting some of the world's finest pastries, including the flakiest croissants and the most delicate macarons and the most exquisite eclairs. To start your day off like a true Parisian, consider enjoying a classic French breakfast at one of the local cafes. Delight in a steaming cup of café au lait while savoring a buttery croissant. As you do, take in the sights and sounds of the city awakening around you, truly immersing yourself in the essence of Parisian life. Number 4 is the Eiffel Tower. So when it comes to the Eiffel Tower, our fourth tip revolves around the element of perfect timing. While visiting the Eiffel Tower during the day offers awe-inspiring views of the city, witnessing the iconic landmark's mesmerizing sparkle at night is an enchanting and unforgettable experience. Timing is everything here. The Eiffel Tower illuminates with a captivating sparkle for a delightful 5 minutes every hour on the hour, starting at sunset and continuing until 1 a.m. Be sure not to miss this enchanting spectacle that bathes the city of light in a magical glow. Tip number 5 is local markets and picnics. Our fifth and final tip is to fully immerse yourself in the local way of life by exploring Parisian markets and indulging in leisurely picnics in the city's lush parks and exquisite gardens. As you explore the vibrant markets of Paris, such as the charming Marché des Enfants Rouges, take the opportunity to stock up on fresh baguettes, delectable cheeses, and an assortment of ripe but juicy fruits. These will be the building blocks for a delightful Parisian picnic that you can enjoy in the city's picturesque parks. For a truly authentic experience, consider bringing a cozy picnic blanket and enjoying your meal beneath the dappled shade of majestic trees. And there you have it, 5 tips to make the most of your Paris trip. A guide that will elevate your Parisian adventure to new heights. By embracing the art of slow travel, going beyond the Mona Lisa at the Louvre, indulging in the city's delectable pastries and cafe culture, timing your visit to witness the Eiffel Tower's captivating sparkle, and immersing yourself in local markets and delightful picnics, you'll create cherished memories of your journey through this enchanting city. If you found these tips insightful and valuable, we encourage you to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow travelers who share your passion. But the adventure doesn't have to end here. Unlock your travel dreams with Embarcks. Discover exclusive flight deals tailored to your home airport, all at your fingertips. Our dedicated customer support ensures a worry-free experience, and with the power of AI, your dream destination is just a click away. Join us on this journey of endless exploration. Stay tuned for more travel inspiration, and until next time, happy travels.